Okay, today we are going to walk through Zoom and some of the features that it has. I went to My Meetings and I am going to click Schedule a New Meeting. Um, I'm going to call my meeting AEP 800 so I know it's for this class. I am going to keep this meeting scheduled for today at 2 p.m. That way we can log in about 3 minutes and I can show you how to use some of these features. If you are using Zoom for distance learning, I think it's a great idea to click recurring meeting. This allows you to not have to schedule each meeting separately. So I'm going to say that I want my meeting to recur weekly and repeat every week, every Wednesday at 2 p.m. And it's going to stop occurring after 7 occurrences. Now I am going to change some of the settings. I always require a meeting password. I do not allow students to join before me, so I'm going to leave that how it is. I'm going to enable a waiting room, and I'm going to make it so only authenticated users can join. Another great tool is to pre-assign the breakout rooms. I'm not going to do this today because I'm not going to add anyone to my meeting, but to do this, you would just click here, create rooms, and add groups by using student emails. Zoom does a great job at working with Google Classroom. If you are familiar with Google Classroom, it will recognize your students right away. I'm going to click Save. Okay, now I am going to show you how to start a meeting. So you would just go to your meetings, and we are going to push Start, open in Zoom, and it will pull up an application. Okay, so now that we're in the meeting, you would start your video, which I'm going to allow it to use my camera. I'm going to stop my video today. And then you would also click Join Audio. Typically there's other people shown here. Some of the different features is if you don't create pre-assigned breakout rooms, you can click this and assign breakout rooms. I can assign participants to 3 breakout rooms, and I can make it, so here I would click Assign, and I would click participants that I want to go to each breakout room, and I can make a time limit on those. Another thing that students can do is allowing students to share their screens or also sharing your own screens with them. So you can click one participant or multiple. I always make it so only I can share at first, and then I allow other participants to share throughout. These are just some of the many features of Zoom.